Okay, so I'm here. This is the room, looking at the door. It looks like it could use some cleaning. So let's check it out. So first things first, the smell. The smell in here is not okay. It doesn't smell horrible, but it's not a good smell in here. Let's see the refrigerator. I think it would be best if I turn the light on this camera. Now we can really see what's going on in here. That looks to be okay. It could use some cleaning though, because it's not like clean, but I've definitely seen worse. But it does need some cleaning. Let's check the microwave. Let's check the freezer first. Freezer, same thing. It's not horrible, but you can tell it hasn't been cleaned. That's like ice on top of dirt. Definitely needs to be cleaned. Look at that. Hair. What are people doing? Are they sticking their heads in refrigerators and freezers? I'm not sure. It just looks odd that every refrigerator I've inspected, they always have hair in them from somewhere.